Hey guys, today we're doing magazine weaving. And this is one way. You can also make it into a basket, a bowl, a box, a vase, or even a plate. But I chose the box version so that I can put in my toys and Legos and stuff. Lego ball, link in the description, put in more of these. I'm getting so much handfuls. Put this at the side. And these are stuff you'll need to make one. You'll need glue, a ruler, scissors, and a shiny and colorful magazine. So, let's get started. So, first, you'll get the magazine, fold it, and then you will cut it gently. You don't want it to be like messy and stuff. So you see, these are two even, but put this aside and we're gonna work on one. So first you will fold it. And then fold it again. And again until you reach the end, which is right over here. Trim it if there's any excess, because if it's like going down, you have to trim it. So after you do that, you just take off one side like that, and then you get glue. Then you just do this across. If it's like what happened here, it's okay. You can just rub it a little bit so that you can just make it go to the next row. So now, after you do that, you make sure that this doesn't flip up. Then push the side down, then push it as hard as you can, and then just do that. And then, there we go, a strip. But you have to do more of those, which are right over here. So the first thing you'll do is you will get a strip, put it in like this, and get another strip, and then put it like that up there. Oh wow, that's so strong. Okay, a tiny dot. Then there. Squeeze it on. See, we have something like this. This is a bar to hold everything. So after you do that, lay another one here. Get the glue. Put a dot over here, and then you flip it over to the beautiful side and you squish it on. And then one underneath. So you see, it's a pattern. It's a pretty cool pattern. Then you put another dot, which it's tiny, Squeeze it in nice and snug, like that. Then last one that I'm gonna do. And then, after you put the dot in, there we go, a little bigger. Make sure the dot is about that big. And then squeeze it on nice and snug. And you see like that? It's starting to look like this basket here. But this is going to be different. You raise these two up. Put this in like that. It's like that. So there we go. After you're proud of it, you put glue there and there. And then you grab the strip again. And then you do that a little bit more sideways. And then, after you do it a little bit more sideways, you squeeze it on. And then, there's a little bit more. And then, you do that over and over again. Okay, now this is the last one, which is this. Put the first thing, we'll flip it over, put this here, put this here. Make sure it just lines up, not like that messy, but while this dries, I'm gonna get another one, which is dry. Put it here, and then get a long strip, and then you start about here, and you do that. Then you just do that. Oh, so you'll have to glue there. And then do it alternately. On like this. Make sure it doesn't drip. Gluing it and then turning it like going like that. And then you'll get it right. Get the gist. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And please don't forget to keep on watching me. And shout out to my subscribers. I love you guys. Bye!